Hey guys, it's Dami here from Clientele Boosters, and today we're going to go over a mini community build out for an IT repair shop. Okay, so if you're new to this, like, comment, share, subscribe. I go over mini community build outs a ton. Now, to know what a mini community is, you have to know what a mega community is. A mega community is a group of high intent buyers, customers, clients, participants, or fans that want to work with you and then your business. Many people, if you're in the service based business, only appeal to what their business looks like and they push marketing from there instead of trying to personalize their marketing, right? People like to trust people these days, so it's important to personalize everything. So a mini community is part of a mega community infrastructure. So if you look at a table, there's 4 legs that hold up a table. This is one of the legs that you could have. So I run a company, it's called Clientele Boosters. I've been running it for 5 years. And today we're going to be talking about mini communities, not mega communities. So it's a small C for mini, and it's for an IT repair shop. Let's call this repair shop Fixes. And we're going to use a social media so SMM stands for social media management. We're going to use that as the proxy. So that's going to be, not the proxy, that's going to be the leg we're going to build on today. So the first thing that you're going to think of is just the classic. There's Facebook, right? Let me get a bit there. This is better. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Those are some of the main channels that you'll want to use. Now, most people are just going to post, let's just say 3 times a week on these channels. The first thing you want to do is just use maths to your advantage. So you want to post 5 times a week. And there's ways to post these, and you can click the link below if you want to learn more about how to do it. There's a free marketing group where you can learn how to do that called Mega Community Builders. But that's just the start. So, okay, if everyone's doing 3 posts per month, then that's 12 posts because it's 4 weeks in a month, so that's 12 posts per month. If you're doing 5 posts per week, that's 5 times 4, so that's 20 posts per month. You've just done 8 more of them. If you times that over 6 months, they've done 72 posts in 6 months, you've done 120. That's nearly double, okay? That's the first thing, just numerically smoke them, okay? Ideally, you want to do every day, but that's the first thing. Another thing you can do, particularly with Instagram and TikTok, but even with other accounts, you can create a second social media account. So for example, I could create another IG account that's called Tips and Tricks, right? So I'm just gonna say T's and T's. And let's just say there's a ditto account for that. So there's a TikTok account with that same name, and even another Facebook page with that same name, right? And that's just where you're giving free values, so free ways that they can actually repair things without even having to inquire for you. And what it does is it's actually going to push the traffic in the link in the bio. So you can have a link tree where people can still click the link and it will push back to your website, even though they were initially on that Instagram or TikTok page just to learn tips and tricks. So even though it's another perceived business or just themed page, it's still pushing to the business fixes, right? And that's great. So that's extra traffic. Another thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have long form videos providing people ways to fix things without your help. And then if it's a complex problem, they know that you're a trusted person. So this is, again, the personalization. So if I go here, there's, this is, let's just say in brackets, short form content for the most part. You want to have a long form, so LF, a long form video, and that video can be, as an example, just to start it with pace. I do a lot more than this. You can do 3, 5 to 10-minute videos explaining common fixes, right? And the good thing about those 3 long form videos is they can then get cut up onto YouTube, to IG, to Facebook, to TikTok, to LinkedIn. And of course, all of that just pushes down into the company. So this is a very quick example of a mini community build out just using social media for an IT repair store. And we actually have an IT repair store. We have IT repair store clients in Melbourne, Australia. So we've been down this road before. We've helped a few IT repair shops, actually. One of my first business partners when I was 19 owned an IT repair shop. We're still friends to this day. We need to catch up for dinner. So if you like this kind of information, check out the links in the description. There's more free resources that you can use. And if you want to get help learning how to build your own mega community, there's a link all the way at the bottom where, if you're doing, let's just say, anywhere between 10 to 100K a month and you want to add an extra 100K to $1 million in the next 12 months, then that program is good for you. But if you're starting up, it could be good for you. It's just very, very hands-on and it's very intense for 6 months, but it's a great way to help your business grow predictably. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Please share it with a friend. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, think meta. Take care.